Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. It is paper pumpkin time again. This is the Nests of Christmas October 2024 paper pumpkin kit. It coordinates with the wintry treetops, Stampin' Dies, and with the Nests of Winter Designer Series paper. So let's see what we've got in the kit. So we're making two projects. There are 5 cards in each project, and we've got really lovely decorated envelopes to go with them. And this really reminds me of the Twirl Christmas stamp set that we had a couple of years ago. So we've got our instructions. So for card 1 and card 2, and they're like a triple fold card, so lots of opportunities for using parts from the kit. We've got a little blurb on the stamping tools, and the coordinating colors are basic black, blueberry bushel, coastal cabana, daffodil delight, garden green, granny apple green, gray granite, night of navy, pumpkin pie, real red, and shaded spruce. And there's also an ad here for the Merry Tags and More dies, which I do have and I will be using. And these coordinate with the October, November, and December kit. So we've got some nice wide tear and tape. We've got a shaded spruce stamp spot. We've got our stamp set with that beautiful, I think it's a cardinal, some spruce leaves and some scatter dots, maybe snow. So joyful thoughts to you this season, happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and then some berries. And this all really mimics the Nests of Winter Designer Series paper, so it's all going to coordinate. And we've got some pieces of ribbon here. It looks like a grosgrain ribbon in a real red with some dimensionals. And here's our envelopes. Look how gorgeous those are with the shaded spruce foiling on them and all the detail. And here's some die cuts. We've got our little chickadees, and I'm going to call it a cardinal for the purposes of the video. And then lots of die cuts for the bows and that. We've got our cards. So this is one of our card bases, and you pop that window out, and it's a trifold there. And there's our greeting banners, and then here's our other card. This is our card base. And again, there's 5 of each card base. And then this is a trifold as well. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? Look at that. Look at the gold foiling on, or the green foiling on that with the little stars in the sky. Wow. Okay, I've been really excited for this kit, really looking forward to it, and I'm thrilled that it's here and that I get to work on the projects and the alternates with you. So thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for those first 2 projects.